Hey, Stefan here at Iron Drug Primary Care's Human Performance Arena. Today we're doing leg day with the Tytax machine. I'm going to teach you how to set up the hamstring curl. You're going to need this piece, and you're going to screw it in like so. So there's two of these attached to these two tie-ins. We're going to hook it into here. I'm going to unscrew this. This is going to go into here. Screw this into here. Tytax has a very clever catching mechanism here. You plug this right in here, and it's not going to come out. If you ever have trouble taking it out, you just have to center the little coin piece back here, and it'll slide right out. Again, slide it in, and that's in. Heated cushion, you can see this little pokey part here. That's going to go in and fit like a Lego right there. It's pretty solid to the weights there, so you can. We're going to put our. Then these pieces, they're not always tied together like this. Screw it in. Okay, that's more reasonable, not too tight. Plug it in to where it's comfortable. Okay. They're back. Oh, this thing's getting in the way. Haven't seen that before. So it looks like the bench is moving. Of course, be locked back so it doesn't bother you, like so. All right, that shouldn't be getting in our way now. Okay. Just slide it in. Okay. Whew. Oh, I need a break. That's how I get out. Now we're gonna do the leg curl. I'm gonna show you how to rapidly change this thing. We're going to unplug this. We're going to, again, remember the little coin part. You gotta push the coin in the center. This comes out quite readily. I found this over there, part of the Smith machine. So again, it doesn't come out. You have to squeeze the coin thing into the center. Then it comes out. So this is gonna be our weight stack. So the weight stack, go right in there, and then 45-pound here. Hello. Doing a video. Yes. Teaching people how to do, or no, a quad extension. Just like that. Whew. The new bench is very heavy. There's one technique towards moving it. It needs to go approximately vertical, and then it does seem to roll on the grass a little bit better. However, since it is so heavy, we're just going to try to keep it in one spot for the dumbbells when they come in, and then we're going to get maybe a lighter bench that will be easier to move around. Okay, next step is how to perform the seated leg press. The most important part is understanding the pulley system here. Is here. So you can see this, again, the coin-shaped part. If it's in the center, it comes right out. So that goes up to there. So you want this locked into here, because once it's in here, it's going to start pulling the Smith that's in here. So other parts that are very important, this one down here, I always get confused by this one. This is locked into place. This thing isn't moving. So you want it unlocked because this is actually going to slide when we're doing our exercise. The other key parts to this will be the position of the legs. The peg right here. So this was a little bit tricky to understand at first, but there's a method to why we have this here. So if you can see, this is now at a neutral position, which won't hit, this won't hit when you're sliding back and forth. When you're done, crank it in place and it locks into the safety mechanism there. So I want to do a leg press, like so. Quadricep activation. Now there shouldn't be anything flopping around up here. So this, try to just get this stuff out of the way. Okay, back to it. The other exercise that you can readily do on here is obviously calf extension. So legs straight, here. Okay, so the plan will be to leave this relatively in the same setup for the day's workout. So that, the main downside of this thing is that it's not entirely user-friendly. So if you're not experienced with changing the setup, it will take you a lot of time to change the setup. But I feel like if everyone does the similar workout every day, initially it will make it a lot easier for everyone. So I'll have the workout of the day listed on the board, and it will be relatively set up for those exercises. But even in this state, you can see it does take some rearranging, even by doing two different things. Even here, it's not possible to do both leg extension and leg press at the same time, just because these foot rests will be in the way of the seat rest. So, as far as that goes, only one person can be doing the exercise at a time. You can work out in between a partner, right? 60, 90-second rest interval. Someone else does the exercise, does the 10 to 12 reps, and then you switch out. That's a common way to train with a partner, so that someone can use the machine at the same time. But we'll keep working on this. We'll keep figuring out how to best use it.